Adding new value in dictionary. Adding new value in dictionary. Actually, you can add to dictionaries at any time you need in your program. Let's see how. So to add a key value to dictionaries, go to brackets. As you can see here, we have our previous dictionary deck. So if we want to add a new key with its value, we simply can type deck square brackets quotation marks your new key such as color equal, then we put the value such as quotation marks white. Alright, so I will print now to show you the new update. Print deck square brackets quotation marks color, and then try and terminal. Very cool. As you can see here, the white value has been added well. Alright, now you need to do your code by yourself. Thank you for watching.